So you get out of here. Leave the filming.
Oh, I don't know if it's a lighter black.
It's a lighter black.
No.
Yeah. This is my best friend now. That's right. This is all I have in my life. Is this cutting board.
What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Dad and Son.
Kicks and Cooking. And today we are talking about a shoe, honestly, that I really didn't think I would ever buy. We're talking about the Air Jordan 4 Lightning.
Yeah. C Squad, do us a quick favor and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so we can keep making videos for you and you can be the first one to watch it.
Alright, so you guys see this box, right? This is the new style, it's really the OG box, but this new style that they're doing with the big Jumpman in flight. I love the new box on the 4s. I got the University Blue 4s as well. Same similar box style, right?
Same thing, yeah.
Same thing. Love that. But inside, we have the much anticipated Jordan 4 Lightning. It's a size 12 because this is actually a pair for Nigel.
For Nigel C. Yes, sir. So this is my thing. So you get out of here. Leave the filming.
Oh.
Today, we're talking about the Air Jordan 4
Lightning.
Now, Daddy C once said in a couple previous videos ago that the blue era is over and now it's beginning the yellow era. So this is the start of the yellow wave right here. We got our blue shoes, now we're on to yellow. So let me talk about the shoe.
Talk about the shoe, man. What you want to say about it? You like this color?
I love this color. Yeah, it's cool.
All right.
Now, I was saying,
I think he has nothing.
I like it. So today, so look at this. You can see here how it's yellow all around. They're very yellow. And then we have black as a secondary color.
Do we? Oh yeah.
Yes.
Right.
Black as a secondary color here. And white as a tertiary color.
What color is the wings and the outsole though?
White or black. Still in the same shade as the rest, so we'll still call it a secondary.
I actually think it's gray, to be honest. It's like a dark gray.
What is gray, Dad?
I mean,
what is it?
Is it a? I don't know if it's a lighter black.
It's a lighter black.
No.
Yeah.
If you were like me and you grew up with the Crayola crayon box, right? You have the 64, the big super jumbo, all the colors. There's a black crayon,
right?
And there's a gray crayon.
And guess what?
Never saw one that said lighter black.
You look at the color map, and all of the how do I say this? Colorful colors are at the top. And at the bottom is that long line, which starts with black, and then gets lighter and lighter until it ends at white. And all of that in between is gray.
I mean, I guess it's along the spectrum, but...
So, you mean the lighter, darker spectrum?
Sure, but this is just gray,
so it's a lighter black.
Look, C-Squad. Is that gray or is that light black? I'm gonna go with gray.
Oh yeah, and Dad, why'd you say you would never buy this shoe?
Well, see, old man such as myself, right? Grew up in the Jordan era, watching NBA and sneaker releases during that time.
Right.
This was definitely not an OG colorway, right? That Michael Jordan would have ever worn, because he never, obviously, nothing with yellow. So yeah, it was like colors like this when Jordan Brand and Nike was doing these different things. I was kind of like, I love the 4 as a shoe, but I'm not feeling the color.
It didn't give you the nostalgia.
Right, I don't have any connection to this yellow, but...
See, notice how he hasn't told us an entire 10-minute long story about the history of the shoe and all that?
Hey man, that's my old school thinking. However, I do like this shoe. I mean, I think in 2006 when the shoe came out, it was a brighter yellow, and this is slightly more muted. But now I have an appreciation for all the different things Nike's doing and Jordan Brand is doing.
Good.
Because they're, how many times can we remix black and red and just the original colors and blue, right? So now they're doing different materials, different colors. Again, this is a retro of the 2006, and it came with a pack, right? So it was this is the Lightning. There's also a Thunder, which is basically the flip of this.
That's tough.
Black with yellow, highlights and hints throughout.
That's cool.
Yeah, the Thunder and Lightning pack.
You know what would have been tough? If they had drawn some lightning on here.
Oh boy, see, does that just taking it a little too far?
I know, that would have been tough though, because that would make it a bit too
custom?
Yeah, a bit too custom.
I mean, you can get somebody to do a custom like that, it'd be pretty slick.
That would be tough.
But anyway, this shoe, again, this is size 12 for your foot.
Yes, sir.
So you had to do an on foot with this one. But as far as materials go, I think, the Nubuck suede is fresh. I mean, it feels amazing.
It does.
Definitely got to get some protection spray on these ASAP.
Yes, sir.
Because this stuff is always hard to clean, I find. You know, you get something on it, man. You don't want to mess them up.
The nubuck is hard to clean?
Yeah, because, I mean, you know, you just mess up that initial gnat that's like so delicate and beautiful.
Right.
But yeah, overall, you know, you get the black on the eyelets here, and then this dark gray on the wings and the midsole. Just an overall beautiful shoe. Does it have the smell?
It smells good.
Awesome. You got the Jumpman on the back, right? And the Jumpman on the tongue, of course, the traditional, nice padded tongue. And I love the pull tab on the back. This whole thing is done in the leather. Usually they'll throw like the plastic rubbery piece on the back.
Right, it's like less mobile. Now we can like bend it. It's more flimsy now.
Yep. And your traditional 4 bottom, right? This is all your traditional there. So I love this shoe, the colorway. The one thing I will say, I love that Jordan kept it similar to the retro that, you know, that's coming from the 2006. A lot of times they'll redo something and you see it online, you're like, oh yeah, it's coming back. And then they make a couple of little changes and then you're like, dude, but that's not what I wanted. But this one, they kept everything status quo. Nigel, so this is your shoe, man.
Yeah.
Now, a yellow shoe for me, again, big stretch because I don't know what I would do technically with yellow. What kind of fit you rocking with this?
I was thinking about that. I could wear with like black, I think. Black is really my favorite color to wear, and I think it would go well with this yellow, especially with the light black as a secondary.
Great.
So I would wear this with like, I don't know, like some black jeans, pants, maybe like a graphic tee.
Sweats.
Yeah, sweats, definitely, yeah.
So what do y'all think about this shoe? Is this fire? You rocking with it, or is it trash? Do us a favor, comment down below, let us know what you think. All right, we're gonna come back and talk about our rating on this shoe, but real quick, we're gonna get in the kitchen and do what we do with some delicious food. All right, so here at Daddy Seed. Nope.
Clear your throat.
All right, so welcome to the cooking side of Dad and Son Kicks and Cooking. We love sneakers, but we also love delicious dishes. So today we're gonna get in the kitchen and just cook up a little something, because if you're like me, you like sneakers, but you also like nice and convenient, easy dishes to cook in the kitchen. All right, so this is for all the dads out there. Today we are doing a dish courtesy of HelloFresh. It's a subscription-based food company. I like to keep it simple and not have to think about it, take a little bit of the guesswork out of the food that we're making for the week. Today is a sheet pan turkey meatball flatbread dish. So let's get into it. All right, so first step for my sous chef is the kitchen cutting extraordinaire, Nigel.
All right.
Get a knife. First thing we're gonna do is cut up some peppers and some onions.
All right.
He loves cutting stuff.
Love it so much. Now, the peppers, I'm not sure. Do I start like this, right?
Let me show you a little tip. This is how you do peppers, make it easy. All right, peppers, hold it up.
Ah, I know. I got it.
What's it gonna do?
What you're gonna do is you're gonna cut and so try to cut the heart out of it, you know?
Nope, not like that though.
You just do it like this.
Nope, not like that.
Like this.
Nope, not like that either.
Like this.
Nope.
Like,
I'll show you.
You do it.
Let me just show you. So this is a little tip I learned. I can't remember, Food Network, somebody showed me this, but you're cutting around. The seed stem is right underneath this outside stem. So you cut to the top and then go down. Because what you're doing is, see that? You're going around that middle section.
that's tough.
So you cut down and around. Then you don't have all those seeds to fight with.
Right.
And then you can just kind of do something like that.
Oh.
Boom. So as you can see, I'm not just giving the dad opinion on sneakers. I'm giving some dad life lessons in the kitchen on cooking. All right, next up, gotta make the sauce.
Hey, cooking without me?
Man, I had to get this sauce on, dude.
Man, you didn't even need to do all that. You know, I had the sauce here already.
So saucy. Do me a favor, sauce man.
Yeah.
Cut those meatballs into thirds.
Oh no! It's cutting board! This is my best friend now. That's right. This is all I have in my life is this cutting board.
You're going so fast. Dude, what is this?
What?
It's like a pie chart, like you cutting it in a mathematical third, like diagram.
Didn't you say to cut it in thirds?
Gotta go on top of a pizza. What about this style? Let's see.
What?
What about if we just go 1, 2, 3?
Those definitely will not each add up to 33%, but whatever.
Nigel, how you feeling, man? We making your favorite dish.
I know I'm hyped, man. Got my flatbread pizza going on with the sauce.
That's right.
Meat, bread. I love it.
All right. Oh, man, runaway sausages.
I'm trying to control it.
Are you? Not doing the best
Not
job.
at all.
There we go.
on. This is the downside of being the sous chef. You gotta do this. Looking delicious.
Yeah, they do, man. They look really good.
Are you ready?
Yep, let's go feed the ladies.
All right.
Let's dig in, man.
Another meal finished. Let's see how it tastes. Some sausage. Quite scrumptious. And it's all because of my chopping job. Bruh.
Delicious. And I can taste the good chopping you did in here, man.
I know you can.
It tastes immaculate. What a chopping
Thank you.
on this pizza.
Glad to hear it, Dad.
This is really good, guys.
You like it?
I love it.
So Nigel, moment of truth. What is your rating on this shoe?
On this shoe, Air Jordan 4, Lightning.
Lightning.
I'm gonna give it an 8.
An 8.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And I'll give you mine.
Yeah.
Thanks for asking.
What's your rating on this shoe, Dad?
My rating on this shoe, let's see. I mean, it's a 4, which is my favorite Jordan silhouette, number 1. The white cement, black cement, like my favorite Jordans of all time. This one in yellow lightning. I'm sorry, they call this Tour, by the way, Tour yellow.
What?
Nike always has their specific, colors.
Okay.
Tour yellow. 7 for me. It's not my favorite color, but I do love this shoe.
That's cool.
I give it a 7. Tell us out there what you guys think about it. Thanks for hanging out. Hit that notification bell so we can meet you back here next time. Peace.